Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down to find privacy. Now at the first position we have location services option, so we have to tap on it. And here you have to make sure that you have turned on the location services, so if you have this type of view, you have to use the right button to turn them on. Now, when we slide a little bit, we can get access to the list of the apps that can use the location with the camera. So let's pick it, and here we can decide to allow location access or don't allow it by picking the never, ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. So let's stay on this one now to turn it on. And here, let's move now to the camera app. Now let me take a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery. And this is our photo. To check its location, we have to tap on this I letter button at the bottom, or just simply slide down. And as you can see here, we can get access to the map with the full address. We can also tap on it to open the maps and see our location at the map. And that's all. Greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.